least I could see the waterfall. I'm at White River Falls. It's like there's 3 falls all in one. It's just a river with a bunch of rock, and the river's not high enough to just go over all of it, so it's just like broken up. It looks like there used to be a huge river just guts through here. Okay, I'm gonna climb down the mountain here. It's like a big old rabbit trail that gets all the way down. I wonder what this one is. Looks like a bike jump. Wow! This is nice! That's so nice. Look at that. That is so good. Wow. It's just amazing how much water is here, and the water is just completely ugly. Let's do a panorama. Abandoned building and waterfall. This is just so good. See how dirty this water looks here? Oh, it's just on the bottom because of all that. The color underneath the water is dirty. Look, the water is actually pretty clean. Like black rock. Wow, look at that. I don't know how deep this water is though, because it's kind of scary. Like, it looks like a great place to just jump off into the water, but I'm sure that's like only a couple feet. There's some more rapids up here. Oh wow, there's probably another waterfall there. This is so fun. I just found another waterfall right here at White River Falls. I don't know what this one's called. I mean, one of these is probably Celestial Falls, but this is amazing. Huh. If I was gonna go swimming, this would probably be the area that I would go and swim in. I could probably just swim right there. There's probably a bunch of rocks inside of the water. It's starting to get a little deeper here. Oh no, can't go that way. See, I can't see anything. I can just feel. So I'm in front of the waterfall here. I think this is one of the falls at White River Falls. I'm not sure which one this is, but this is pretty cool. It's a good view. I'm kind of like surrounded by all of this canyon rock. You know, the water is pretty good. It's not too cold. This is really nice. So nice. I wonder if there's a way to cross. Some really nice rocks though to step on. It's completely comfortable. Stepping on it with my bare feet. Nothing but toes. Just a perfect current.